Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you some of the interesting errors that we face in JavaScript. So as a developer, I have faced many of them, but today I'm going to tell you a few of them which we face, and it is difficult to know such errors. So let's discuss. So first one, if you can see on my screen, there is type of nan. So if we run this program, then it will give us the type of this nan. So type of this nan is number. So in some situations, like if we are checking the type of any variable, and uh, and we are keeping some checks, like if it is a number, then pass. Okay, so but if the number is nan, then obviously it is going to pass and going to execute that statement, which can cause error. So let's discuss more about the other one. There is one situation when we do something like this. So if we do the sum of these two numbers, so the answer should be 0.3, and obviously it should return us the value of this as a true. So let's run this one, but it is returning as a false. This is because of the number precision, floating point precision we can say, in JavaScript. Because of that, it will never return the value as a true. So let's say the third one, the interesting error that we can face is this one. So let's say there is some situation where we check, like if any variable is false, or like if it is equal to 0, then it is false. So let's do it. So if we execute this statement, then obviously it is going to tell us that it's true. But if we execute with the strict equal method in JavaScript, then it will give us the value as a false, which means it is like, because of the loose equal, we can say in JavaScript, it will not give us the proper value, right? So we always need to focus, like how we want to use such conditions. This is also interesting problem. So many developers can face this one in their programming. So if I execute this one, so according to you, it should maybe execute like 1 2 3 4 5, but it is executing as a 5 every time, because this set timeout function is async function, and it will execute after some time, we can say, or asynchronously. So the last updated value will be 5, right? In the I, the value of the I will be 5, so it will always print its value as a 5. So because of this asynchronous behavior of the set timeout. So another one that is interesting here is this one. So let's say we have a function, a sync function, which is returning as a value as a 5, and we are checking the instance of this like function. We are checking like if this function is a promise or not. But if we can see, we are returning as a value as a 5, which is a number. So how can be the instance of this function is promise? But let's run this one, but it is returning as a true, because every async function is an instance of promise by default in JavaScript. So because of that, you can see like it is returning as an instance of promise. So let's say another problem that we commonly face in JavaScript, like we update the length of the array somewhere, and let's see the result. So if we'll check, then array is returning as a 0 or null. Why? Because obviously we have stored some values in that array. We updated the length of that array, and after updating it, it is returning as a null. So we always need to keep in mind, like if we are updating the length of the array or something, then we have created some copy of that array or something, so it will never update our default array. Another one is this, like this is also interesting. If someone is have faced it, please comment below and let me know if you have ever faced this problem. So if I will check the value of this, so nan, as I discussed before, like it is a return as a type number. So what it should do, it should tell us like these are equal, right? But what will happen? False. This is the only value in JavaScript which is not equal to itself. Interesting, right? So for more such videos, please subscribe my channel, and see you next time.